Hi, today we are going to discuss 4th class maths chapter Money, Profit and Loss Part 2. Profit and Loss. Gaining the money is profit. Gaining the money is profit. Losing the money is loss. So if we gain the money, then that is called profit. If we lose the money, that is called loss. And we have to remember, we have to keep in mind few terms like that. Cost price. Cost price will be written as CP. Selling price SP. Profit P. Loss L. These terms we use for cost price CP, selling price SP, profit P, loss L. First we discuss profit. To discuss about the profit, we take one example. That is one wholesaler, shopkeeper and customer. Mainly we focus on shopkeeper. The transactions is what will be done based on the shopkeeper only we have to discuss. So first thing we have to keep in mind like that, this shopkeeper has some money. Here we are just taking 2 rupees. He has rupees 2. That is his money. His main what in the beginning he has 2 rupees. What he did, he went to wholesaler and he bought chocolate for 2 rupees. So he bought, so cost price what he has done, how much cost price he spent, 2 rupees. This is now how much amount with the shopkeeper? No amount. He invested to buy the chocolate. Now the present shopkeeper has 0. He has nothing. Now one customer came to the shop. What the shopkeeper did, he sold this chocolate to the customer for 3 rupees. So he gave chocolate to the customer and he took 3 rupees. So now he sold the chocolate to the customer. This is called selling price. Selling price. Selling price, how much he did? 3 rupees. Okay. This is 2 rupees and this is 3 rupees. Now how much amount with the shopkeeper? 3 rupees. Now 3 rupees. Actually his original amount is 2 rupees only. That is his amount. Extra what he got? 1 rupee extra he received from selling price. So this extra amount is called profit. This is 1 rupee. Profit equals to 1. How much profit he received? 1 rupees. So this process, here the shopkeeper gained the amount. So here in these transactions, the shopkeeper got profit. Based on these values, cost price value, selling price value and profit, we get the formula for the profit. How to? Just we write down. First we write down the values like that. CP equals to 2 and SP equals to 3, P equals to 1. Here from the values we get the formula. How? Now I am doing 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 what? 2 plus 1 what? 3. So here 2 what is 2? CP. CP plus what is 1? Profit equals to what is 3? Selling price. Therefore finally I write down left hand side, right side, both exchangeable. Therefore SP equals to CP plus P. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. This is one set. Now I do one more calculation. 3 minus 1. How much? 3 minus 1? 2. 3, what is 3? Selling price. Minus 1. Profit equals to 2 what? CP. So now I rewrite the equation. CP equals to SP minus P. Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. This is the second formula. And now I do one more calculation. 3 minus 2. How much? 3 minus 2? 1. How? Means from this one we get the one more formula. What is 3? SP. What is CP? 2. What is 2? CP. And what is 1? P. If we rewrite the equation, therefore P equals to SP minus CP. These are the formulas. SP equals to CP plus P. CP equals to SP minus P. P equals to SP minus CP. So, selling in the terms of profit, we got the formula. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Finally, in all these transactions and in all these calculations, we got one idea like that. More selling price is more. Selling price is more. Selling price is more means profit. Selling price more means profit. In other words, if profit is there, selling price is will be more. That we need to keep in mind. So, in terms of profit, we can write if profit is there, selling price more. Selling price more. In other words, if selling price is more, greater value, if selling price is more than cost price, in clear we can say than cost price, more than cost price, then we get profit. So if anywhere selling price is more means profit, or if selling price is more means profit. If profit is there, selling price is more. So in all these three sentences, which is the greater value? Selling price. So we need to keep in mind the greater value, the selling price. The greater value will be the addition of remaining two. Here what are the remaining two? Cost price plus profit. The greater value equals to remaining two values. Addition of remaining two values. Greater value equals to addition of remaining two. Cost price plus profit. And if we want these two values First I take cost price. If we want cost price greater value minus remaining one. Remaining one what? Profit. So if we want one among these two, between these two, if we want one value, greater value minus the remaining one. In the same way, now I am writing profit. Profit equals to greater value. When profit is there, when we discuss the topic related to profit, selling price will be greater value. So greater value minus the remaining value. Here profit, selling price over, then remaining is cost price only. Cost price. This is we need to keep in mind. SP equals to CP plus P. CP equals to SP minus P. P equals to SP minus CP. This is we need to keep in mind. Now we discuss about loss. For this also we just take one example and do calculations. For this also we have to keep in mind the shopkeeper is the main person we need to consider for that all transactions. So this time the shopkeeper has 3 rupees. The shopkeeper has 3 rupees. So what is the amount of shopkeeper? 3 rupees. So his original amount, his actual amount is rupees 3. This is his money. So what he did, he went to wholesaler and bought one chocolate for 3 rupees. One chocolate for 3 rupees. So cost price equals to 3. Now the shopkeeper does not have any money. So actually his original money is 3. Now he has 0. What happened? One customer came to the shopkeeper and shopkeeper, as he is in hurry to sell this one, he decided to sell this chocolate to the customer to the 2 rupees only. So he sold this one, that is selling price equals to 2. Now how much amount the shopkeeper has? 2 rupees. But actually he has, his original amount is 3 rupees, but now he has 2 rupees only. So there is less amount to him. He lost 1 rupee. He missed 1 rupee. So he losing the money is called loss. Equals how much he lost? Actually he 2 rupees and 1 rupee he should have, but 1 rupee he missed. So the loss equals to 1. So cost price equals to 3, selling price equals to 2 and loss equals to 1. These 3 values, based on these 3 values we do calculations. So cost price equals to 3, selling price equals to 2 and loss equals to 1. Now we do calculations. Based on that we get the formula. First 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So what is 2 plus 1? 2 is selling price plus 1 is loss equals to 3 cost price. Therefore cost price equals to selling price plus loss. Selling price plus loss. Now we do again one calculation. What? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. Again 3 for which the value is 3? Cost price. Cost price minus 1 is the loss equals to 2 selling price. Therefore, selling price equals to cost price minus loss. Again, we do one more calculation. 3 minus 2, how much? 1. Here, what is 3? Cost price. Cost price minus 2 is selling price equals to 1 loss. Therefore, loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So, these are the main formula. These are the one. Cost price equals to selling price plus loss. Selling price equals to cost price minus loss. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So, in terms of loss, if loss is there, what will be the more? If loss is there, cost price will be more. Cost price will be is greater value. In other words, if cost price is greater, what will be there? Loss. So, first thing, for the greater value equals to addition of remaining two. What are the remaining two? Selling price plus loss. And if we want to get any one of these values, what we have to do? Greater value minus remaining one. Now I want to get the value of selling price. So selling price equals to, what is the greater value? Cost price. And what is the remaining? Already selling price, cost price is over. Remaining? Loss. Now I want to know the value of loss. Loss equals to, again, greater value. What is greater value? Cost price. Cost price, loss is over. What is the remaining? Selling price. These are the formulae we need to keep in mind. So, we just get all formula at once. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. SP equals to CP plus P. Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. CP equals to SP minus P. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. P equals to SP minus CP. Again, one remaining. Cost price equals to selling price plus loss. That is CP equals to SP plus L. Selling price equals to cost price minus loss. SP equals to CP minus L. And loss equals to cost price minus selling price. L equals to CP minus SP. These are the main formulas we need to keep in mind. So, to do the problems, to solve the problems. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos.